you said you had me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas Day.
So it's dress rehearsal day. I went to the back of the church so you can hear me, but as you can see, we're here and it is almost time for us to go on stage. I probably won't be able to, again, won't capture any of the footage of the orchestra playing. Wow, can you see me? Can you see me? But maybe able to get some a cappella moments of maybe some Poulenc and definitely some Nathaniel Dett or something. So that'll be really fun, but it's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. I don't know if I'm ready to sing, like frankly. I'm so not warmed up. So I'm gonna have some more coffee and try to warm up a little more.
There won't be string players here, okay? Can I take you and have you basically kind of facing here? This will be like here. There won't be a harp. You're just kind of make it work. Does that make sense?
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. Oh, Roomba just finished. I have not been around. I've been super busy this weekend, as you will see in like some footage that I will put in. It was concert week at Cantata Singers, and I was very busy bee. I always forget that concert week is literally a whirlwind. I don't also factor the travel time to rehearsal, the call time, as opposed to like how much time we spend rehearsing. And then there's like extra rehearsal for like solo stuff. I didn't really have a solo, but I was in like a semi-chorus. And that was also like extra time. So I was very busy. I didn't get around to uploading content yesterday, and it's just been wild. But I'm back today to tell you guys that I have had a good weekend. We had a very good concert, and I'm really looking forward to the next concert. I can't wait to see what great music, well, I know what the music is, but I can't wait to see how we put it together next year. But the next concert's not until next year, 2022. And the year is approaching a very, 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 very rapid close. Where did 2021 go? Am I right? Like, I feel like it was just New Year's, but it's another year, and it's been another year of a really tough situation with the panini. Like, I was looking in the audience yesterday and looking at all the masked faces and feeling my own masked face, and just thinking, when are we gonna work this out? It's just super depressing. I mean, I'm really happy to be performing again, but I'm just over it. We're all over it. We're all just so over it. Yeah, I'm just over it. I'm ready to like get on opera stage again. I'm ready to just feel not paranoid about getting a cold, you know, because I had a cold a few weeks ago and I had to cancel everything because you never know if it's just a cold or if it's like the other thing. So I think we're all at this point of pandemic fatigue, I think. So I was thinking that lately, you know, as 2022 approaches, and I was also thinking about this channel and how I've been a little bit burnt out making content for this channel, not like the vlogs and stuff, but the other stuff. And I just want to take a little time to think about what I'm going to do going forward. And I think the answer is to create less content. So for a while I had been doing like 3 videos a week, you know, consistently, and then it fell off a little bit. So I think instead of the 3 videos a week, I think I'll give you guys really 2 great videos a week, and just sort of make those a little higher quality than I had, you know, been giving, you know, just pumping out content like every like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, and also with that, I have also decided that I'm going to end memberships on this channel at the end of the month. I am so grateful for those of you who have signed up to be members and are wonderful, and you have your little emojis and they're very cute. I cannot keep up with the membership perks, and I have this perpetual feeling of being behind. When I have when I have the perks that I can't keep up with, I don't feel like coming on to this channel is like fun anymore. I feel like it's like I'm behind on something, and it feels bad, and I apologize, but it's going to make making content here a lot better, because I've noticed that over the last few weeks, people have just been unsubscribing, which it happens sometimes. It's really hard to see a consistent downtrend in numbers, and like vanity metrics. You can get really messed up in thinking about your numbers and all that stuff, and the views and the subscribers. So I just want to figure out why that's happening. Maybe it's because of Vlogmas, because people don't want to see me in their feed every day, and I can appreciate that. But I would like to take some time to figure out how to turn it around. and give you guys what you'd like, and also make the content that I like as well, because I feel like there's a little happy medium that needs to happen there, like one for you, one for me, and you know, maybe the both of us can meet here. So and I also feel like a lot of people have been taking me a little too seriously, which I am not a serious person. The persona that you get on this channel is about 90% of what I'm like, minus the swearing, minus like the filthy potty mouth action, and minus probably some of the hot takes. But it's mostly what I'm like in real life, and I think that you guys like more when I'm more myself, when I'm a little less serious, when I'm a little more the way I am with clients in person. I am very not serious. There are times to be serious, there are times to address serious issues, but I feel like there is enough seriousness in the world and there's not enough levity. And I've always wanted to bring a little more light to a conversation, a get together, because if you turn on the news for even one moment, you will know that somebody needs to laugh. So I want to be the person that makes you laugh a little more, and to make you feel like you can get your home in order. It is not impossible. It is not a feat that you cannot achieve. You know, my goal is to always keep it realistic and to keep it for real world circumstances. Like, your home does not need to look like a Pinterest page or a home design magazine. None of us live like that. So I always want to make it achievable. So that's what's been going on this weekend. Clover met the cutest friend at the dog park. I'll put the footage here. Adorable little cavalier friend, little black and tan friend, so cute. So that's been going on. I mean, I've been trying to subtract things, and I think that is the most important declutter that I am doing this month, is trying to subtract things. And in subtracting memberships, I will guide you over, if you want a little more intimate organizing motivation, organizing mastermind. I am doing a mastermind challenge series over on Vibely. We have like monthly get-togethers where on Zoom you can ask individual questions. You can ask like for your particular situation. We can really get in there and solve those organizing problems. And it's more of a group setting, more of like a support each other kind of setting, and I'm there to help. So if you want to do that, it's $35 a month, and that way it will be something that I can keep up with and that you can participate in, and I can see you and we can meet and have fun. And there's awesome message boards where you can write and you can ask questions, and I will definitely be in there and answer questions and provide recommendations and stuff like that. So if that's something you're interested in, I will link down below. We did launch last week, sort of a soft launch, but more officially launching this week. We've already started the We've already started the Clean Out Your Closet challenge, so please check it out if you're interested. If you're not, that's fine too. You can stay here where it's free $9.99. As 2021 comes to a close, I feel like 2022 is going to be an interesting one. I feel like it is. I'm definitely going to have my ACL surgery in 2022. We'll see how well that goes, but I have to get fit before then because I'm going to need all the help I can get. If anyone's had ACL surgery or meniscus tear surgery or both before, let me know what your personal recovery time was, because I am concerned that I might take a little more time. I don't want to be out of commission for like a year, but I think, isn't it like 6 months to be like back to full 100%? Let me know. I'm willing to work hard. I work hard in PT when I have things to go to PT for. So, but that is that. I feel like 2022, I'm gonna do a little better job of taking care of me. I have been learning a lot about what I can and what I cannot do in terms of making content, doing stuff, what my limits, personal limits are, like my work threshold is. And I am not a machine. I like to think of myself as an android, as a machine. I'd love to be that. I'd love to like have a battery that I could recharge in like an hour and like knock stuff out, but I only have so much energy and I need to manage that a little better. And that is the area where I think that I can improve on in a big way and also help you in a big way. So that is all. I'll be back tomorrow because I gotta clean this house. It's a disaster. Disaster. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.